Hi friends, this is Siddharth. I am a certified life coach through the system called Dream Builder and also life mastery consulting that can help you turn your dreams into a reality. Today's my topic is about goal setting. Now, in this world, there are two types of opinions regarding goal setting. One opinion says that goal setting is very necessary for our life, while the another opinion says that there is no need for goal setting. So, to be honest, I was very confused about that. But then I thought a lot. And whatever I am going to tell you today, they are my views. So let's understand this way. If I want to go somewhere, first of all, I have to decide the place. Let's say that I want to go for a trip to Florida. So if you can see, the Florida isn't just the place, but it's my goal where I want to go. Suppose I just say that I want to go somewhere, but I haven't decided the place yet, then you can think that I can never reach anywhere. So, this is the first example. Now, I am going to give you one example for my own life. When I was in India, I had been working as a teacher in the school. Whenever I had to teach the students some topics or some lessons, I had prepared that topic or lesson the day before, and then I used to go in the classroom and teach the students. So, whatever preparation I did the day before was my goal, that I had to teach the students that topic. Now, you think that why I am telling you like this? I am telling you this because whenever we talk about goal setting, many people say that this is all wrong. We don't need to do goal setting. But if you if you look at your life, you can realize that before you do anything, you have to decide something, and that decision is your goal setting. So, my friends, now I am going to tell you one story regarding the goal setting. A young monk named Shriochi was struggling to find the purpose of his life. He had studied with his master for many years, but still he was feeling lost and directionless. One day, Seochi went to the forest, and while he was going into the forest, he saw a big, large rock, and he climbed upon that rock and sat down to meditate. While he was meditating, he had a vision. He saw himself as an archer standing at the edge of the forest. He was aiming the bow at the target that was very far away. The target was a small black dot. But Ryochi knew that he had to hit the target no matter what difficulty comes in his way. So he drew back his bowstring and let the arrow fly. The arrow flew through the air and hit the target right in the center. Now Shioji woke up from his vision. He understood that what it meant. He had realized that he needed to set some goals for his life. So he went back to his master and told him about his vision. So the master smiled and told him, Shioji, now get ready for setting your goals for your life. Shioji did the same thing. He set some goals for his life and tried to achieve that. So, my friends, the story of Shioji is a reminder that the goal setting is very important for our life. Whenever we set goals ourselves, we give ourselves to strive for. We also give ourselves a sense of purpose and direction. So, if you are feeling that you you are lost or directionless, I highly encourage you to set some goals in your life and try to achieve them. Try to achieve them with the baby steps, with the tiny steps. Now you think that what are the baby steps? So my friend, in this description I have given the link of my video of tiny steps or baby steps. You should watch that video. In that video I have also given one story and try to understand that story, my friends. So from today, start setting your goals for life. And if you really like this video, please share it and subscribe it. Thank you very much for listening to me. See you again in the next video.